Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in a Lenovo X131e Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to turn the Chromebook off and remove the battery. Next, you will remove the 4 plastic screw covers on the front bezel. Now, you will remove the 4 screws in the front bezel. Next, you will carefully pry and remove the front bezel. Now, you will remove the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will pull the LCD toward you, disconnect the LCD cable, and remove the LCD. The first step in the installation of your replacement LCD will be to reconnect the LCD cable to the LCD. Next, you will set the LCD into place and replace the 4 LCD mounting screws. Now, you will snap the front bezel back into place. Next, you will replace the 4 front bezel screws. Now, you will replace the 4 plastic screw covers on the front bezel. The final step will be to turn the Chromebook over and replace the battery. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Lenovo Chromebook. Nice job!